One common need that often arises when working with virtual machines is to have two machines that share the same network and can see and interact with each other while having internet access at the same time. One way to achieve it in VirtualBox is to use NAT Network. So let's say that that's what I want to do with these two virtual machines. We first hover over the Tools section, then we click on the Options button and choose Network. Here, we switch to the NAT Network tab, and from here we can create a new NAT network by clicking on Create. Now, it's important to understand that while the virtual machines that share the same NAT network will be able to see each other, the network itself is separate from the host's network. So we're not going to be able to access these virtual machines from the host. Once we created the NAT network itself, we need the virtual machines to use it. Let's start by choosing the first one, then click on Network. And we change the adapter type to NAT Network. Let's do the same thing for the second virtual machine. An important thing to keep in mind when using NAT Network is that the MAC addresses for the machines need to be different. If the second machine is a clone of the first one, chances are that their MAC addresses are the same. So if we take a look at the MAC address of this VM, we can see that it ends with DE82. And if we compare it to the MAC address of the other VM, we can see that it's completely identical. So let's generate a new MAC address for this one. Now we can start both of these machines. And once they start, we can see that both of them have internet access. Then, using the terminal, we'll check their IP addresses. To confirm they can communicate with each other, we'll use the ping command.